Hello, I have a farm in Cambodia, 3 hectare durian farm. I would like to share with you 5 projects I'm doing using biochar for sustainable farming. The first project is to use the biomass around my farm, whether with coconut leaf, coconut branches, or any wood biomass we burn in the facility with a very low oxygen in the process called pyrolysis. And you form a high porous carbon, which is very good when you bury under the soil. It sequences the carbon in the soil for hundreds or thousands of years instead of burning in the atmosphere and damage the environment. Now, this biochar, if you feed in the soil, is very good for the soil. The soil actually become more moist, it filters better, and actually retain water and nutrients, which is it means you use less. And it also creates habitants of beneficial microbes, which actually break down the nutrients and is uptake by the plant easily. They also remove the impurities such as lead. It also sequence the methane from release to the soil. It also regulate the pH, which is very important for the trees. The second project we are doing is to feed this biochar into the pond, which it will filter the water, remove the impurities, heavy metals, and the fishes are much more happier. And the manure of the fish that they deposit into the biochar, we can reuse it into the soil as mulch, and it will protect the topsoil. It also suppress the weeds from growing, which means you manage pests. And also you keep the surface of the soil much cooler, like below from 30 degrees drop to about from 35 it drops to 30 degrees. Right. The third project we are doing is use biochar as additive to animal feeds. In my farm, we produce animal feeds using coconut waste, coconut water, fish waste, and this biochar is act as additive to enhance the enzyme, the fats, the amino acids, which help the pigs to digest better. They eat more, and therefore they are much more healthier. The fourth project we are doing is grow a very high density, high value crop such as agarwood, vanilla, and dwarf durian. Because it's growing very close together, about 1 to 2 meters apart. So we use biochar to boost the soil quality. The last project is to showcase 1 hectare of my farm, be it whether on the pond, the fishes, the animals, the trees, the plants, the nursery. With biochar, we feed it to the soil, we can earn about 1 ton equivalent of carbon dioxide credit. This credit can help the farmer to cover the cost of the operation of producing the biochar, which actually is very beneficial for the farmers because it increases the yield, it improves the environment, it reduces pests, and it makes your pond very beautiful. That's my 5 project of sustainable project using biochar.